Good morning, everybody. Welcome to JTraedz TV, where we discuss all stock-related contents and much more. Thank you guys so much for joining me, guys. I do apologize from yesterday, man. We had a power outage that occurred, and I mean, it knocked everything out right in the middle of my live, man. I do apologize. We got the company coming through to get everything worked out, so thank God we had our neighbor was able to provide us with a generator right now, guys. So even though I'm on my live stream, we're getting powered off of a generator. And you know me, I don't like to lie about anything. So you know me, I'm always 110% honest with you guys. So I was going to find a way to make a way to stream. So I'm right here, guys. And like I said, until things get situated, we are running off of a generator right now. Till things get situated and we get ready to rock and roll. Money Mike, so far we're still pulling back. The low areas I see, that was Monday's lows on Tesla balls. That was all the way down towards 356.88. That was pre-market lows. I'm definitely keeping my eyes peeled right now. I mean, I know we underneath that 365. The next key level on down is going to be around that 3. If we get that further pullback down, the buyers don't step in. Next level down is 362.50. Yeah, this week has just been off, man. I mean, it's just been an off week, man. I mean, hopefully everything gets better for next week, guys. Again, I do apologize for yesterday, man. Everything just went off. It just shut off in the middle of my live stream. So I do apologize, man. It just been an off week this week. Hopefully everything, will bounce back for next week. But I am here. I was gonna find a way to get on this live stream to, help out as much as I can. You know me. I'm always gonna find a way to make a way. Y'all know me. And as we talked about SPY, I know we did dip below that 641 level. That was Monday's lows. We already cracked through Friday's low of day, pulled all the way back down to Monday's low of day. So this is the area that I was anticipating that buyers were gonna get back above that 641 back up. But we're gonna have to see. We're gonna have some buying, buying pressure step in, or a liquidity grab right in this area back to the upside. But right now, I know it's still looking a little weak. We know today is Friday. It's gonna be a little tricky, but we'll see. And don't forget, we did have the consumer sentiments that came out at 10 o'clock. Remember, guys, I told you that was going to be some important news that came out. It's going to be coming out at 10. I don't know why I'm thinking 8:30. It's going to be coming out at 10. I'm sorry, guys. We have consumer sentiments coming out at 10. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. I'm already jumping the gun. I apologize. I had to think about that. I'm like, no, consumer sentiments don't come out till 10. Yeah, my mind, like I said, it's just been a rough week this week, guys. I do apologize, man. I do apologize. Like I said, hopefully everything will bounce back next week. Just been a rough week this week. Let me oh yeah, Mike, let me go ahead and post the link to everybody, let them know I'm live, man. I'm pretty sure a lot of them don't even know I'm live right now. I forgot to post it in my Discord. Let me go ahead and do that right now. Forgot to do that. No wonder they think I'm not on. Alright, let me post that to the Discord. Guys, keep everything on watch. Like I said, for SPY, we want to get back above that 641 for that push back up to the 644. So that'll be Monday's lows back up to Friday's lows. So this is the area I was anticipating could be a possible liquidity grab if the buyers do take advantage of this opportunity from that 641 back up to 644. So this is the area I'm anticipating to see can we get that push back to the upside. Let me go to my Discord real quick. Let them know I'm live. It's just been a rough week, man. But I mean, I was gonna, me. I'm gonna always find a way to survive, man. Y'all know me, guys. I'm always gonna find a way to make a way, man. I know it's been a tough week. I mean, like I said, power, everything getting cut off. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. Hopefully everything pans out for next week, man. All I do is put it in God's hands, guys. That's all I can do, man. Put it in God's hands. Alright, so let's keep it rocking and rolling, guys. There we go. So far, buyers all look like they're taking advantage of that 641 level. So this should be the liquidity grab where buyers should be trying to step in and push their way back up to 644. Because remember, guys, that was Monday's low of day, and that 644 is Friday's low of day. So look like they are trying to go for that liquidity grab. So far, so good. Look like they're trying. So far, so good. So far, so good. Money Mike, what we looking like on Tesla, boss? So I'm not, and the fact is I'm running off of a generator right now, guys. I'm only gonna stay on for maybe, between 11 and 12, until again we get everything situated. But I will be here to do as much as I can. So let's see right now, guys. 641, 641. Push back up to. Let's see, can we get that push back up to 644? Let's see, can we go for that liquidity grab? Yeah, I mean, I'll go find a way to make a way though, man. You know I got you guys. Y'all, no matter what I go through, I'm not gonna let nothing stop me. I'm never gonna let anything stop me. No matter what it is, man. I'm gonna find a way to make a way. Y'all know me. Keeping everything on watch. There we go with the liquidity grab. But it's Friday, just waiting. So right now, with as far as Tesla, as long as they can hold that 365, boss, then you already know the next level up is going to be around that 367.50. From that 367.50 back up to 370 itself. Because the goal is, Mike, is to get back in that range. To get back in the range, get back into the 370s. So to slowly rotate our way back up into this range here. Because, again, what we want to do is slowly move our way back up to the 380s. So we came down as low. We started to buyers started to step in right around the 365. Next level on up is going to be around that 367.50. As long as we can start to see buyers stepping in, going for that reversal. We want to see that nice red to green from 365 to 367.50. From 367.50 back up to 370, because we want to get our way back into the 370s. From the 370s, we want to start to slowly climb our way back up towards the 380s. So we're just waiting on these buyers to step in to see can we go for this push. Buyers right now are taking advantage of the liquidity grab at this time. So remember that 641 level, guys. Do you remember that was Monday's low of day? I'll go back to the 1 hour time frame. Remember we talked about this yesterday. Bring this down a little bit. Go over. Right here, guys. Remember, 641 was Monday's low, and then at 644 was Friday's low. So right now we do have a strong upper shadow. Look like buyers are trying to push their way up. If we can get back above that 644, we want to get that push back up towards that 649. So right here, guys. So right now, there go that liquidity grab we talked about that we've been anticipating. So it did go a little bit lower below the 641s, but you can see that lower shadow buyers are taking advantage of this demand zone, trying to buy their way back up. Like I said, the next level up on SPY is going to be up towards that 644, 644.72. If we get back above that price point, we want to get that push back up towards that 649. So basically, we want to go back into this little range here. When we from that 644.72 back up towards that 649.45 to 650. So we want to get back in this range. We want to get right back above this little price point here, turn this back into support, and go for that push back up. Because remember, guys, I was anticipating that we was going to get some type of reversal as buyers can possibly utilize this key area here to start to push their way back up. So we'll see on how the volume is going to take place. But don't forget, guys, we do have consumer sentiments coming out at 10 o'clock. Consumer sentiments 10 o'clock. We do have VIX falling back on down with a nice amount of room to fall back down to that 200-day moving average. So as VIX fall, I mean, that could give SPY the opportunity to push its way back up. And right now, Tesla as well. Money Mike, 365. Next price point, 367.50. From 367.50 back up to the 370s. So this is why I was anticipating to see if buyers were gonna take it, go for that liquidity grab in this little spot here. That's what I was anticipating. So I want to see can they go for that continuation push back up towards that 644.72. I mean, I know we got some more data coming out 10 o'clock. We're gonna see on how the consumer sentiments is gonna pan out, and we'll go from there to see. Got some more data coming out. Some more data. We'll see on how that's gonna impact the market. So that's gonna be very important. Consumer sentiments, 10 o'clock. And I know right now the market is bearish right now. I mean, the market is still weak. How are we looking on the weekly time frame? How are we looking on the weekly? See, guys, we cracked underneath that 650. Remember we talked about that inverted cup on the weekly? So we did crack the 650. That'll put us, again, if they don't reclaim 650, that'll put us in a range of 650s back down to that possible area of 613. That'll be that old breakout zone. So remember, we talked about this for the longest. I know it took a little while to start to shape up, but it is starting to turn, and it is starting to go back down towards that 613 area. Like I said, if we cannot get back above 650, guys, that's going to put us in this range here. It's going to put us right in this little range here. Right in this little range, right here. From 650s back down to that 613 to retesting this old breakout level. So it's a lot of fear in the market, man. The market is still looking weak. Market is still looking weak, man. It's still looking bearish. I mean, I know, guys. It's been a crazy week, man. It's been a crazy week. Crazy week. But I did tell you guys, I prepared you for this, guys. I told you the market was still bearish. I told you I wasn't going long. I told you the market was still bearish. We called out inverted cups. And everything of that nature. We called out everything we possibly could. I told you guys the market was just, look at this. Inverted cup and handle, what I told you. Once we crack the 49, 45, I told you guys to focus on the next pullback areas, which was going to be back down towards the 44s, down to that 41s. So I told you guys what to be prepared for. I did alert you guys on this week on how we were shaping up. Inverted cup all the way through. Inverted cup. So you can't say I didn't tell you guys. You can't say I didn't warn you. I did warn you guys. I let you guys know ahead of time. So I did tell y'all right out the gate to be mindful of the market this week is going to be very bearish. Very bearish. Yeah, look like on the 15-minute time frame, Mike. It looked like we pulling back underneath a downtrend. Let me see. On Tesla. Oh, we got a gap fill. Let's see where that gap fill was at. Are we gonna fill that gap fill? Nah, let me go to I think it was on my 15, wasn't it? Talked about the gap fill. Oh, we already did the gap fill. Okay, so the gap fill already happened. Alright, so now we're coming down to these low-key areas. Okay, so the gap fill right here where I had my little line at. So yeah, we already filled it. That already happened. So gap fill already happened. Market is still looking weak. Still looking weak at this time. Still flushing on down. Primo, what's up, boss? And I just said that. Yep. Underneath that 395. Yep. 365. Next level on down is 362.50. Yep. I agree with you 110%. Yep. I agree with you 110%, boss. I agree 110%. Next level on down is 362.50. 362.50. SPY still getting that pullback. Still looking weak. Yeah, the market, guys. The market is just looking hella weak right now. It is. There's no way around it. The market is bearish. It's crazy. The market is definitely bearish. The lowest that I see on Tesla is all the way back down towards like 356. That's Monday's low of day. Monday's low of day. And then we got data coming out in about 6 minutes, guys. In about 6 minutes. And if y'all do hear some noise, like I said, that's the generator. The generator right now, man. So like I said, hopefully we get everything situated this week and we'll be good to go next week. But I do apologize about all the inconvenience, guys. It's just been a crazy week, man. It's been a crazy week. But I still wanted to show my loyalty, my dedication, no matter what I'm going through. I still wanted to be here for you guys. So it's been a hellish week, but I'm still here fighting. You see, guys, no matter what I go through with this live stream, I will still find a way to make a way. So just know that, man. I'm always here for you guys. No matter what I go through, I'm here fighting still. I have to, man. Like I said, you guys are my family, and I got to do what I got to do. I got to make things happen. So it's been rough, but things happen, man. Things happen. It's crazy, but see, can we get this 6 almost to that, almost to it. Let's see. Let me see if it's gonna hit it. I want to see if it's gonna hit that. I got a little target right at 62.50. 6250. Let me see if we gonna get it. 6250. There we go. There we go. Bam. Got it. Alright, got mine. So just did a small little trade real quick. So I should have held it, but I did it from 365 down to 36250. Bam. Caught that one. Quick little scalp, Mike. Quick little scalp on that. 365 down to 36250. Booyah on that one. Just wanted to see. I just wanted to just test it. So I just wanted to test it. I'm gonna do another one. And look at SPY still yanking. Good Lord. 6250. We did hit it, guys. 6250 on SPY. Oh, you said I still got in. All right. I should have stayed. I should have stayed in it. I should have stayed in it. Yeah, you got it. You got it. So I did a quick little. So we underneath 6250. Next level down is 360. I ain't know it was gonna crack it or not, but we still cracking it. I just wanted to do a quick little scalp on it because I didn't know they was gonna try to bounce, so I just took a little target area from there. Yep, next level down is 360. So yeah, you got it right now. You still have it. You still have it. Not bad, not bad. Because I know it's getting oversold. I mean, I know we're getting oversold like crazy. Like I said, the main strongest bounce I see area is that 356. See, that's why I got out, just in case. I didn't know if they was gonna hold. So I just went for this quick little right here, boss. Right here. That's why I got out. I mean, I took a little just in case they try to bounce it. But we crack it, I mean, you still good. But yeah, I did the 365 down to 36250. Yeah, because I didn't know they was gonna try to, if they was gonna bounce it or not. So if you still in, you want to stay below 6250 down to 360. Because I mean, VIX didn't bounce this way back up. Man, this has been crazy. Damn, so could we actually see that 613? I mean, that's going to be that old breakout area. I mean, you got room to fall down to it because you're underneath 650 on SPY. I mean, look at this. It's nothing else to hold it. It's nothing to really hold it. That's going to be the next level down. I mean, this sell-off continues. I mean, look at this. All right, got you, Mike. Got you, boss. I got you. Yeah, I mean, that's crazy. Could we fall all the way back down to that 613? I mean, that'd be crazy. But yeah, I got out right here, boss. Yeah, I took it right here. Because again, I didn't know if they was gonna bounce it or not. So, and plus I was just being a little careful because I know we're in the oversold position, not knowing when when buyers gonna try to step in and bounce. Because I know it's like in the oversold on the 1 hour. So that's why I was just kind of being a little careful, not trying to chase it too much. I mean, does it still have room to fall? Yeah, we still got room to fall. But knowing, like you said, knowing today Friday, we got that 10 o'clock consumer sentiments guys just came out. Yeah, so that's why I was just being careful. That's why I was just being careful because I didn't know if buyers gonna step in, but the market looked like it's still falling. So look like the buyers are still no sign of buyers right now. Because I know right now Tesla's oversold. I know SPY's oversold. I mean, look at this. Look on the 1 hour, Mike. Look at this. We all the way in the blue, boss. Oversold. So that's why I was like, I don't know when buyers gonna step in now. That's SPY. And Tesla, we overbought too. Tesla, look at this. Way overbought. So it's like, I'm trying to figure out when they're gonna go for this. So I'm just being very careful and just being very calculated. Because I don't know when they're gonna make moves. I don't know. When they're gonna try to seize the opportunity to bounce. I'm just being careful, not trying to chase too much to the bottom, now that we are in the oversold position. Just trying to be as very careful as I can. Being very, very careful. I don't want to overdo it. So I'm just being very, very careful. Just trying to be safe, boss. Just trying to be safe. Safe. It's like I said, today Friday, I don't know when they're going to try to do this. Because, I mean, they got opportunity. I mean, it'll be in their favor. But right now, I know right now it's still weak. I don't know when this bounce, when buyers going to step in. So, I mean, same thing here. Small profit. Yep. I just didn't want to keep chasing the bottom because, I mean, I know it's in an oversold position because I don't know how much lower it's going to keep going. You know, I mean, could we fall all the way back down to that 356? It's a possibility. You know, I mean, could buy you step back in? Possibility. Just, I mean, right now we're getting in the area. But if we fall back down to that 356 on Tesla, and I'm going to show you, on my 1 hour, that'll close out another inverted cup. Oops, my bad. Let me go up to it a little bit. See right here on Tesla? I got it on my default. I got to set that price point. 56.88. The hell? Oh, there you go. So yeah, right here, boss. See, that'll be the bottom. That'll close out that whole entire cup, all the way back down. If they was to get a pull, like last candle pull, that'll be the last bottom, 356.88. Because I mean, you do have a bear flag pattern on that bad boy, where it could get like one more leg down. I mean, it's a possibility. It's like, boy, it's like it's in the air right now, because. See, right now, let me see. If we crack back underneath that 62.50, I mean, we could get that continuation down towards that price point. That's why I got out, because I didn't know they was gonna bounce right off that 52.50, 62.50. I'm sorry. That's why I got out right here, just in case. So took a little small profit because I didn't want to keep gambling, because I don't know when these buyers gonna step in. I don't know when they gonna step in. It's gonna be a little crazy. So, I mean, shout out to you, Mike. I mean, we both caught our little, small little profits. Small little profits. But like I said, if we could crack underneath that 62.50, I mean, that'll be the next possible level down. 360 down to that 356. So, like one more red candle down, possibly. We'll see. We'll see. Oh yeah, especially on Friday, yeah, I agree 110%. Any profit is good. Yeah, and like I said, guys, I'm gonna be on for a little bit due to the fact this with this generator, I don't want to stay on for long, so just in case things, it does cut off. Like I said, I was gonna find a way to be on the stream with you guys for the first half of the market. Today is Friday, so we're just trying to see. I'm just trying to see. I just want to test it real quick, Mike. I just want to see. They're not taking my orders right now. We're trying to see if I get a quick fill in on the call side back up, but they didn't grab my damn orders. They didn't grab my orders at all, bro. They missed my orders completely. As they bounce back up. Yeah, they didn't grab my orders. Let me see if they can try to grab it as they try to pull back down. Let me see if we get a pull back down to 362. Let me see what we get. Because, I want to see if we're going to hold 362 and try to maneuver our way back up. Let me see if it's going to hold. Because, like I said, I know today is Friday. It's going to be a little tricky. I'm going in. Yeah, that's why I'm going to just see if we're going to get a little quick pullback real quick and go back before they start to really push back to the upside. Let me see if I can get a quick pullback real quick. Because they didn't grab my orders. They didn't grab my orders at all, man. It's crazy. I was trying to do it, but they didn't grab them. I was trying to switch my contract quick as I could, but I didn't do it in time. Let's see if we get a little pullback, guys, real quick. Pull back to 62.50. Guys, let me go check this generator real quick. I'll be right back, Mike. Just keep everything on watch. Watch that 362.50. Again, if buys hold, They're gonna try to go for that pushback up to 365. If we do crack 362.50, you already know the next level down is 360 down to that 356. Those bottoms from Monday. So watch this 362 level here first. I'm gonna go check that generator real quick. Make sure everything is still good. Make sure the gas and everything is still fine in it, and we'll keep it rocking and rolling, Mike. I'll be right back, boss. All right, Mike, we back, boss. So far, yeah, we all put it back down. I want to see if that's gonna hold or we're gonna crack through. I'm watching. Let me see. Look at my 1 hour. I'm trying to see if that level's gonna hold. They still ain't grabbed my orders yet. They still ain't pulled down. Them sellers haven't pulled down to it yet. I'm gonna have to cancel it right now just to dang it. Come on now. I'm trying to catch these lows. Help me out. Help me out. Help me out. Oh, there we go. Grab one. I'm just a little small. I'm just a little small risk. Just small. Something tiny. Little tiny. Nothing major. Alright. So they did take it. Little small entry on that. I'm gonna try to add some more to see can we hold. Let me see if we hold 362. If we pull back a little bit, I'm gonna add a little bit more just to see. Yeah. Oh yeah. Small. Now I went in with one. I did one. That's it. No, I'm gonna tell you. I'll put it like this. I'm gonna tell you how low I went of a risk. I can only lose $2. I can only lose $2 down. So I got the bottoms of that contract. The bottom. So if things don't go good, $2. So that's why I got it low, just in case. So yeah, the only thing I'm risking on the downside is $2. That's it. $2. Yep, $2. Yep, I know today Friday. That's why I'm not risking a lot. Hell no. If things don't go good, if things don't go right, if that 250 don't hold, I mean, we'll see. I'm playing very, very tight, very small. So I'm watching this level, see if it's gonna hold. And if we can start to, if those boxes just start to step in from 360, 250 and push their way back up, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. What's up, T? Man, sorry about yesterday, boss. Like I was telling Mike, man, like everything went out. We had an outage, man. So I had to. So thank God, my neighbor, he allowed us to use that generator. So right now I'm doing my live stream off of a generator right now, man. So just been a bad week, man. It's just been a bad week. I mean, it happens, man. But I was gonna find a way to get on the live, whether I had to use a generator to power up my live stream. And you can see how dedicated I am to you guys. So I wasn't gonna let anything stop me. So I'm powering off of a generator. And again, with you guys, I never have nothing to lie about. I never have nothing to hide. I'm always 110% honest with you guys. So right now, I am trading off of a generator right now, man. And yeah, with the family situation, I know, man, it's been a tough week, man. It's been a tough week, but as you can see, T, I'm here. Mike, you can see I'm here. I didn't let anything stop me, no matter what I was going through. Whether I came in late, we had, power went out. I still showed my loyalty to you guys. I still showed up. I'm here. No matter what I'm going through, I'm always loyal to you guys, man. So, you can see my dedication, man. I'm dedicated to you guys, man. No matter what I go through. I'm right now powering off of a generator right now, doing my live stream. That's how dedicated I am to you guys. So, I got nothing to hide, man. I'm always going to give you guys the honest truth with me. I ain't going to lie about nothing. So, it happens. It happens. It happens, man. So, like I said, I'm not going to ever lie to you guys. I'm always going to be honest. 110% honest with you guys. Always. Now, the only issue, Mike, that I see... let me check it out, IWM. Hold up. Now, the only issue on that, Mike, that I do see is we back underneath that downtrend. Let me go to my... let me see. I think I got it on my... Yeah, look. What was it? It's on my default. Default 1 hour. Yeah, see, we back underneath that downtrend. See this? So that's why we need to get back on top. Stay on top of that trend, downtrend, and find a way to bounce our way back up. Other than that, we'll be falling right back underneath this little downtrend setup I had. I noticed that too. It's the only thing. Let me go to IWM. Like I said, guys, if we do pull back, I mean, I'm only taking the small risk. Today, Friday, I'm not about to risk a lot. Hell no. IWM, where we at? All right. Trying to stay on top of that 244. We need to get that re-break back above. Well, we need to get back above 245. T. Get back above 245. You have dollar mark. We want to get that push back up to 246, 248. And keep in mind, you got that 200-day moving average sitting right above your head. But we definitely want to get back above 245. Get back above 245. We get that push back up to 246. Get that push up up close towards that like 247 to 248 level. Back up towards that 200-day moving average. Primo, what's up, boss? If not holding here, downside. Yeah, the next key level I do see on Tesla, Primo, is 356.88. That's Monday's low of day. 356.88. And I do see a bull flag on the 1 hour time frame on Tesla. So I'm watching to see, can we get that bounce from that 362.50 back up towards that 365. Now that's going to be the main area we need to get above, 365. That's going to be the issue. If we can get the break above 365, then yes, we get that push back up to 367.50. But 365 is going to be the main resistance right now. So that'll put us in a range of 365, 362.50. But I do see a bear flag on that bad boy, where it does look like it could pull back. I mean, I do see that. That's why I'm keeping it tight. Tariq, like I said, boss, stay above that 245. We want to get that push back up to 246, up to 248. Watch it 245. Make sure you stay on top of that, because you got to hold that floor level, hold that hold that half dollar mark up to 246, and then up to 248. So right now it's trying to get a little bounce off of 245. Keep that on watch, T. Keep that on watch, T. 245. Hold that level for that push back up to 246. But if we crack 245, yes, you will have you will fall back down, possibly back down towards the 244s, 242s, damn near down to the 240s. How we looking on Tesla? Start to build. I mean, slowly build. I'm still holding, Mike. I'm still holding for dear life. I'm still holding for dear life. So I just want to see this climb back up. I want to see can we get that break back above 365 on up. But if we crack 362.50, I have to, you know, I got to kind of let it go, man. I mean, because again, I can't, you know. I know right now, and I know Bix is pulling back down again. Tesla, SPY guys, we want to get back above that 641 for that push up to 644. That'll be Monday's lows and last Friday's lows. Yeah, so I'm being very careful. I know 365 we're gonna have some sellers sitting around 365. I already know they're gonna have sellers sitting around it. I already know. They're gonna be sitting and waiting. So let me go ahead and post my mark, guys. 365. So that's the little range that we in right now, guys. So let me go ahead and make a duplicate copy. Add 365. That's the area that we need to break up. So right here, break 365. Then yes, we'll have room to push our way up to 367.50. But I'm watching this little range because, like I said, I know right now the market is still weak. And I know right now it's tricky right now. It's a lot tricky. So right now, SPY, we are pushing back up towards that 641 Monday lows. Watch that. We need to re-break above that. What's that actual price point? What was that? 341, 641. Okay, 641 even. All right, 641 even. All right. Price 641. Let me put that little price point on that one. 641. All right, we getting close to it, Mike. Getting close to it, but I know they're gonna be sellers sitting around at 365. I know. I already know. So right here, guys, 641 on SPY. Gotta get that break. We want to get that break. We want to get that back in that range of 641 to 644. We want to get that break right back above 641. Other than that, if we can't get that break, that's going to turn into resistance where we could get stuffed and come right back down to even lower prices. Tesla, I'm still watching that 365. I mean, I can break even if you know, I can break even on it. I mean, if things don't go right, you know, things don't, you know, I can break even. So like I said, I'm only risking a small amount where I can still break even and get out if things don't go right. Because I know Friday's gonna be tricky. I already know. Friday's gonna be a pain in the you know what. Jay, why did you get in on the long side with Tesla? Because I mean, I see a buying opportunity. I mean, we are in the oversold area where buyers could seize it and push. I mean, even with SPY's in an oversold position. So I mean, we getting closer, Mike. We getting close. I want to see a good engulfing candle. I want to see a strong bullish push. I want to see a strong bullish push. I want to see a good engulfing green candle. Because now, I mean, I'm in a position where I can break even. You know, if things don't work out, I mean, break even, I mean, hey, it is what it is. But if we can break through 65, I'll continue to hold. But, I mean, if things go south, I mean, I just have to break even and just let it go. I have to just break even and let it go. We'll see, guys. I'm still holding. So I know, like I said, today Friday gonna be tricky. How we looking on IWM T? 245.50. So 245 is still holding. We want to get that push up to 246. So right now, SPY, let's see, can we get that third green candle up towards 365? Let's see. Boy, them buyers, boy, they ain't got no confidence in these buyers right now. Boy, they scared as hell. I mean, I don't blame them. Especially a lot of buyers that got hit. I don't blame them. I'll be. Come on, third candle. Let's see, 365, baby, 365. Come on. 365. Let's get that rotation back up. Come on, buyers. Go for that 365 push. You're almost there, about 70 cents away. I know we almost there, boss. We almost there. Like I said, the only thing I can do is break even if I can't get that push. I mean, it's worth the shot just to see. I mean, I'm just taking advantage of the oversold position to see if buyer's going to try to go for it. If not, bump it. Because I'm not gambling on Fridays. Hell to the no. Come on, 365. Because I want to see, can we break out of this little range that we in right now, guys. So you're in the range on Tesla. 362.50 bottoms, 365 tops. Now, if they can break above 365, the next level up is going to be around that 367.50. That'll be the next level. I'm just trying to see if Bob's going to take advantage of this little oversold area. It's going to be tricky. It's going to be tricky. So, Mike, I know you gunning for the shorts. I already know you gunning for the short side. I was just trying to see. Like I said, if things don't go right, I mean, the only thing I can do is break even. But if they do push, I'll hold. But if they don't, bump it. I just gotta. It's gonna be risky right here. It's gonna be a little risky, Like I said, guys, SPY, watch his 641. I mean, watch that level. Shorts, if you're on the short side, you want to stay underneath 641. Block those buys, prevent them from breaking out, and reverse. Longs, you need to break back above 641 to put you back in that range of 641 to 644. That is Monday's lows and Friday's lows. Last Friday's lows. Man. I don't know, Mike, man. It's just, let's see. I'm trying to have faith in them, but if they can't do it, I have to just break even and just be patient and wait. I'm trying to be as patient as I can, Mike. I'm trying to be patient. Yeah, I might just break even and just wait. Yeah, I'm gonna just break even. I'll break even for right now. Just in case, man, because I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna break even. I'm gonna break even for right now. I just gotta. Yeah, I know. That's why I broke even. Yeah, because that third, we didn't get that push. I was like, I can't gamble, man. Now, could they set up a bad trap? I mean, it's a possibility, but the way the market is being right now, it just, I can't, man. I tried, guys. I tried. It just. Yeah, it's too risky. I want to give longs the opportunity, but it's just it's too overpowered by shorts right now. Yep, and there you go. He pulled back right down to 6,250. I can't risk it. It's just no buying value. I can't risk it. I don't want to gamble. Today Friday, I gotta be careful, man. We pull right back down to my entry. So hey, I tried it, guys. I mean, I thought we was gonna hold 362 to go for a little. Still looking downtrend-ish. I just can't take a risk on that. So can't risk it. Can't risk it right now. Not right now. I mean, things may change during lunch, but right now, I can't risk it. Can't risk it. So I had to go with my instincts. So I broke even, guys. I broke even. I tried. I swear, if they push back up after I got out, I'm going to be highly pissed. I swear if they push this back up, I'm going to be pissed off. Still in this little range right here, guys. Still have yet to break that 365 yet. It just still look weak right now, man. I mean, it just does, man. It just don't look. It just, like I said, the buys don't seem to be in right now, man. It just, they could come in later on, but right now, I'm just keeping it on watch. Yeah, see it gap down a little bit. Yeah, they could be setting a little trap. Let's see, Mike. Yeah, they might be trying to trap buyers. Let's see. Like I said, underneath that 362, the next level I see is down to 360 to 356. So they may be setting a little trap. That's why buyers couldn't hold. I just didn't want to gamble. I didn't want to gamble. It look like it may start to turn a little bit. Let's see. I mean, even with SPY, guys, like I told y'all, watch that 641. I was trying to give the buyers the benefit of the doubt to buying on this oversold area, but it looks a little weak still. They're not holding. I couldn't do it. They're not holding. Because I was waiting on that third counter to push too, but we couldn't do it. I was waiting on it too, Mike. Couldn't do it, man. I don't know. It looked like it's turning still. It looked like it's still turning. Yeah, it looked like it's still kind of arcing back down. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it on watch though. I'm gonna keep it on watch. It just still looks weak. I mean, even SPY. I mean, look at SPY. Back underneath that 41, 641. Even that look like it's starting to turn a little bit. Yeah, it just don't look like. I mean, it's just like it's just overpowered. It's just overpowered with sellers right now. Yeah, see, it's turning still. It's still turning. Because like I said, if you look on your 1 hour time frame, Mike, on Tesla, you got like a bear flag pattern. You got a bear flag pattern where it does look like we could crack that 362.50 back down. It just watch. Let me see. Let me go to my 1 hour. Let's see though. See right here, look like we got a bear flag pattern. Bear flag pattern right there. That could set it up. Yeah, that's what I agree to Primo. Yeah, I think that we could see more downside, possible more downside coming. That's why I had to break even. I had to break even. It couldn't hold. I was like, nah. I'm not risking out on a Friday. Hell to the no. Good morning, my beautiful queen. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, yeah, Aussie, as I told Mike and T and Primo and them, yesterday the power got, everything went off. We had an outage, and thank God that my neighbor was able to give us a generator right now. So I am doing my live stream off of a generator, and that just goes to show you again that I'm not going to let anything stop me from being with you guys, whether I got to use a generator or whatever the case may be. That I'm gonna be here with you guys, rock and roll with you guys, and again to show you guys my loyalty. So I am powered off of a generator, so that means I really can't be on the stream for long because I gotta monitor that. So I was gonna find a way to make a way, man. Find a way to make a way. So yeah, it's just been a rough week. You know, dealing with the power, family. It's just been a rough week, man. Been a rough week for me. But I'm still here. I'm still standing. So I'm dedicated to you guys, man. Y'all know me. Just been a little tough, but hey, we all go through it, man. We all go through it. Just one of those times. So let's see, guys. Let's see. We already got spots starting to turn already underneath that 641 and that VWAP. So that couldn't hold. So those two lows turned into resistance. So 641 resistance. Yeah. So thank God. So far right now, we holding up right now, Aussie. Thank you so much, Queen. I'm a DM you. I'm gonna let you know like what was taking place. I got you. I'm about to DM you. Alright guys, so right now we're still in this range. Tesla still ranging. Still trying to hold that 362.50. I'm just waiting on buyers to push. I want to see if we get this buying momentum, but right now it's still looking weak. Trying to see if they're going to get a third counter pullback. Let's see. Everything is still looking weak, guys. Still looking weak. Look like SPY may be going for a third red candle down. Let's see. Keeping it on watch, man, because I know this little area going to be tricky as hell. Look like we starting to get a little weak, guys. This may be the third red candle on SPY. Look like that one is starting to already turn over. So what would be the, like I said, the only low area I see? Where we at? What? No, that's Tesla. See the bad flag pattern. Like I said, your low areas all the way back down to 356. SPY we already cracked. Then I'm trying to see what's going to be the next set of lows on SPY. Let me take a look at SPY real quick. Because we already cracked through these Monday and Friday's lows, and we still going down. What's the next set? I'm trying to figure it out, guys. What's the next set before we go all the way back down to that 613? Man, what is the next? I'm gonna probably go to the 12-hour time frame. Because I mean, we already cracked this. Look at this inverted cup. Look at this big, huge inverted cup on SPY. Look at this. That's crazy. All right, let me go to let me try a different time frame real quick to try to figure out you know, what else could they pull down to if we can't get back above 641. Let me go to a 12-hour real quick. All right, let me go to my 12-hour. See if I can see anything on that one. Would it be the next set of lows? Good Lord, good Lord. Still pulling back down. Holy crap. Yep, 641 was that floor. 641 is the floor. Because other than that, from 641, look how far you fell down to. Damn near 620. Jeez Louise. Yep, you see how that 641 acted as resistance? And look right here. So those buys can't get back above 641, guys. We could possibly continue on down. Because the last time it was underneath 641, you came down as low as 620. Goodness gracious. That's why we got to hold at 641 or you know, retain 641. Because you can see how far we dropped last time we were underneath it. That's the only levels I see underneath that price point. That's the only next levels I see on it. Underneath 641 is down into the 620s. That's the only other levels I see if we can't get back above 641. Yeah, I think I had 64. I had 64 too. I think it was on my 1 hour time frame. It was like 64 or something on my on Tesla. What was it? I had 64.46. 64.46. That was that Friday's low of day for Tesla? Yeah, that was Friday's low of day. 64.46. So we have to get back on top of that price point. 64.46. Should I try it again? I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna wait, guys, to see the buy step in. I don't want to just jump in anywhere. Let me see. I want to see buy step in. I want to see some type of not consolidation, but consecutive candles. Just to let us know that buys are stepping back in. I want to start to see, you know, consecutive green candles. I want to see buyers definitely stepping back in. how we looking on IWM? IWM 245. Look like it's getting a little weak. T watching 245s, bro. Watching 245s. I want to start. If buyers are gonna step in, I want to start to see a push. I want to start to see some consecutive green candles back up. You know, kind of give us some type of confidence that buyers are stepping back in. From that 644 to 640. I'm sorry, 364 to 365. I want to see a buildup. I mean, because we are in an oversold spot. We are in the oversold area. I mean, like I said, what time could these buyers step in? I mean, if they don't do it now, it could be around lunch hours maybe. In other words, we could consolidate for a little minute and then start to go for a next possible move. You know, if we don't get anything now, guys, so we may be in consolidation until, you know, we see either party, either the longs or shorts. I mean, I do see more of an oversold area where buyers could seize the opportunity. It's like we're consolidating right now. So that's why I'm just waiting. So the last one I had to break even because, again, I was unsure if the buyers was going to step in. I was waiting for, from the 6250 guys, I was waiting on a push up towards 365, but it was still too weak. We still couldn't get it yet. And look at that. Look, sellers are still trying to pull. So that's why I couldn't do it. Like, it's still overpowered with sellers. I mean, like, even with SPY, after we was moving on up, I was waiting for a third green candle push up towards 641. We couldn't get it. Tesla, I was waiting for the 641 up towards 6250 back up towards the 365. Third candle up, we couldn't get it. So right there was right here was indicating weakness. I had to get out because we didn't get 3 candles up. We didn't get it. Yeah, right here, as long as you're underneath that 641, Nadia, it's resistance. And I had to go to a 12-hour time frame to see, okay, if we stay underneath 641, how much lower can we go from there? And I did go to a 12-hour time frame on SPY just to see, what would it be the next level on down. The next level I seen on SPY on the 12-hour was 620, or like around 620. Look, I'll show you. Oops, let me go back a little bit. Which one I used? I think I used the 380. Yeah, look right here. Look right here, Nadia. 641. Last time we was underneath that area, sellers came in aggressive, and we pulled all the way back down towards 620. Then we bounced from 620, got back up towards that 641. So that was that range here. So that's why if those sellers, those buyers can't get back above 641, we're going to have all these levels back down this way to deal with. So let me make a duplicate copy of that from 641 back down to 620. And that's that range. On a 12-hour time frame right here. That'll be the next level down. Right here, guys. That'll be right here. That'll be your next level. Look at that range. 641 down to 620. 620 back up to 641. That'll be the next range if we cannot get back above that 641. If those sellers utilize 641 and yank, we're going to have to deal with all these other levels back on down. That'll put us right back in this range. So that means, and if you think about it, Nadia, we are inching closer and closer towards that breakout area on that weekly that we talked about. We are inching closer and closer to it. So it looked like it is happening. I mean, it was a long time coming on the weekly time frame. I'm watching Tesla. I want to see can we go for that 365 breakout. Because I want to see those buyers step in and go for that reversal because we are in an oversold position. And see right here, look Nadia, look on the weekly. See that cup right underneath 650. And look where your old breakout level is. 613. And that bad boy is cupping. We are underneath the 50-day moving average. So that's indicating weakness. And we are having another bearish week. We're underneath the 50 now. As of now. We're underneath the 50 SMA. So we done lost the 13 EMA. Now we're losing the 50 SMA. And look right here. We're room to possibly fall back down to where? That old breakout area. We got an inverted cup on the weekly. And so far for right now, so far we'll be seeing. And look at that. Still looking weak. Look at this. SPY still cupping. Now Tesla on the other hand, let's see. Like I said, as long as we hold 362.50, that floor, I mean, you do have room to rotate up to 365. But once we break above that, we got the whole 365. Because the goal is to move our way back up toward the 370s. Wow, there we go. Ain't that a bitch? Let me see. Let me see if it's not. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try to utilize the same price point, Mike. Let's see. Same price point. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna use the same price point. To see, can we go for a 365 break? Or is this gonna be a trap? Let's see. I'm gonna use the same one. If it don't work out again, what do I have to do? Break even. I'm gonna try it again. Same area, same one. I'm gonna see what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try to utilize the same contract, same price. It allowed me to get in at the same area. But if we can't break, we need that if we can get that 365 break, like I said, next level up is 365.70. 367.50. See, we still fighting this 365, boss. Still fighting it. The market, I mean, look at SPY. Man, it's like these buyers, man. Look at this. Bro, this is insane, man. And then on a Friday, man, Friday's making me paranoid. I hate trading Fridays. Because I don't want to get caught in this shit. Come on, buyers, man. If buyers can rotate, because I'm back to where I was at, my same entry on my contracts. I'm only risking a little bit, guys. I'm only risking like damn near $2. So I mean, I can't lose a lot. So I can either break even or lose like a dollar or two. So I mean, but I had to be safe, guys. Today is Friday. I gotta be, I mean, look at this crap. Look at this. 365. Look at this. Look at this. We still ain't breaking yet. SPY still turning. SPY still U-shape arcing. Tesla, we still waiting on the 365 breakout. Back down, look at this. Upper shadow, look, see? Man, this crap is just crazy. Man, Mike, I can't. Mike, I'm trying, boss. I'm trying to have patience with this shit. It's just, it's like, it's so overpowered with sellers. I'm trying to be patient with this, man, because we are in an oversold position, but the buyers are not stepping in right now. Man, I don't want to keep having to keep breaking even, man. This is crazy. Come on, buyers, man. Come on. Because what I don't want to happen, Mike. All right, look like we holding. Okay, we back on top of the 9 EMA so far. Okay, look like we on top of the 9. All right, cool. All right, we're back on top of the 9 EMA. We at least got one indicator above underneath us. All right, cool. Now we need to break through that 20 EMA. That's going to be 365. All right, let's see. Come on, buyers. Come on, man. Come on, baby. Come on. We got one indicator underneath us, at least. All right, buyers need to take advantage of this right now. Right now. We need to go for an indicator gap fill up towards that 20 EMA. So that means we need to break above 365. So if we can get these two indicators to work for us, then we can focus on going on that indicator up, gap fill up. So that'll put us towards 367.50 up. Just don't want them to just do something stupid, man. Like, come on, man. Come on. We need to push. We got at least one indicator underneath us. We need to go for a push up towards that 20 EMA. Come on, bias. We just need to pop. We need to pop right here. We're on top of 364. Yeah, look. God, see, this is what I do. Ugh. Come on. Create a bad trap. Create a bad trap and go back up. I hate Fridays. I hate Fridays. Come on, man. All right, come on. Create a bad trap, go back up. Create a bad trap, go back up. Come on. There we go. 364 and push. We need that second green. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on, man. Give us some type of sign of hope, please. All right. Second counter, we need to push up toward 365. Come on, baby. Come on, Bias. I believe in you, baby. I have faith in you, man. I'm holding strong. Come on, baby. We need to now do an indicator gap fill from this 9 MA to this 20 MA. If we can get above 365, that'll put that 20 MA underneath us, guys. So we'll have 2 indicators underneath our belt. From that point, we want to go for an indicator gap fill up from those 2 indicators up to that 50 SMA. That'll push us right towards 367 up. So we want to go from 365 to 367.50. That'll push. Oh, there we go. Come on, man. Come on. Let's go. Keep going. Come on, baby. Keep going. Next level. Come on. 367.50 will be our next one. Come on. Keep going. We want to go for that next gap fill up this way. Come on, baby. Come on. 365. We need to close on top of 365 because that's going to put us on top of this indicator, the 20 MA. Come on, baby. Come on. Damn. There we go. Come on. Woo! Let's go for this gap fill up, baby. Come on. Let's go. Thank you, man. Come on, buddies. Keep going. Don't you give it up. Don't you dare give it up. Don't you dare give it up. We got 2 minutes left. We want to make sure this candle stays on top of 365. There we go. Woo! All right, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Stay on top. We got 2 minutes. Stay on top of 365. Help the next candle coming in. Because then we want to go from 365 up to 367.50. Come on. We want to go from these indicators, guys. We want to do an indicator gap fill from these up here. Come on, baby. Come on. 365. I know it's going to be a little tough right here. We're going to have some sellers sitting right here. I'm going to tell you right here, guys. It's going to have a little battle right here, 365. You have sellers trying to take it back down. We got to stay on top of 365. Come on. We got 1 minute left. Stay on top, buddy. Stay on top. 365, baby. Stay on top of 365 because you want to create another bad trap. Don't let those sellers push you back down. Don't do it. Stay on top. Push, baby. Push. Come on. 365. Stay on top. At least close on top. Help that next candle come. There we go. Keep pushing. Yes. There we go, baby. Whoa, baby. Oh, baby. There we go, baby. Come on. Stay on top. Stay on top of 365. Stay on top. There you go, big sexy. There you go, you sexy animal, you. That's what I'm talking about, baby. There we go. Come on. All right, create this bad trap. Create that bad trap now. Make that third candle. Make that third green candle up. Come on, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see, can we go for that indicator gap fill up from these indicators, guys, up towards that 50 SMA. That should be bringing us around 367 to 367.50. That third green candle should be trying to go for that push. Even if it don't, we still above 365. That's good. That's good. Come on, buddies. Keep it on, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Come on. Let's go. Remember, guys, starter, continual. Let's see, can we get this finisher? Come on. That's what I'm talking about. Then you got VIX falling back on down. Look at that. Look VIX doing. Woo! Look how much room VIX got to fall. Goodness gracious. Come on, baby. I knew that it was an oversold spot, man. I was waiting for these buyers to step in. I wasn't going to lose hope, Mike. I wasn't going to lose hope, boss. The reason, I ain't gonna lie, I was getting tempted to get out, but what caught my attention was I seen, not this candle, but this one. I seen it get on top of that 9 MA. I said, ooh, we got an indicator underneath our belt. I was like, ooh, cool. Got an indicator. And then I was like, all right, as long as that one hold, that one should spark some type of confidence in those buyers. And then we should push up to what? The 20 EMA. And then now we're on top of both of them. Now, even if we pull back down, this is the area that they should be trying to create some type of bear trap if we can't get that continuation push. This should be like a bear trap, like where we should start to see some pullback failures. Where sellers will try to pull back, but those buyers are going to trap them. I want to see, man, because we should, again, buys, man, the goal is to go for indicator gap fill up. From these two indicators up towards that one. So we make it a little bit of a little pull, but this should be another trap. They should be setting up for another possible bear trap. They should be setting up for another possible bear trap. Unless, nah, I ain't saying it because I don't want to jinx it. I'm going to shut up. I ain't saying nothing. I'm gonna stay positive. I'm gonna stay positive because I ain't saying, I ain't about to jinx, not on a Friday. Hell to the no. I ain't got time for this, not on a Friday. Not on Friday. So I ain't saying nothing. I'm shutting up. I'm going to stay positive. All I'm going to do is focus to see can we go from an indicator gap fill up. 367.50 next. We want this bad boy to continue up. That'll be next. Because our goal is to try to get our way back up towards that 370. So once we get back, so guys, in other words, once we get up to 367.50, we want to hold that level, and 367.50 plus, because we want to now get on top of the 50 SMA. Get on top of the 50 SMA. Now we want to go for another gap fill up that should put us towards 370, back up towards that 372.50. So we just want to slowly find our way and pull our way back up towards that 200-day moving average, which is sitting right at 372.50. We want to get a nice U-shaped pattern back to the upside. So far so good. So 362.50 held right here, good. Then we moved our way up to 365, good. Now we want to hold 365 or create a bear trap because they're going to try to pull back. We already know they're going to try to do it. We want to create pullback failure, and then continue up towards 367.50 as we create this U-shape and that pull up towards that 50 SMA. So, woo-hoo-hoo. I ain't gonna lie, Mike, I was about to lose faith, but I saw that indicator. I saw that second green candle holding. I seen it. Boy, I had a glimmer of hope for those buyers. I was about to, I was about to give up. But that green candle, that's what sparked my attention. I seen it. I was like, and I saw it get right on top of that 9 MA. It gave me some glimmer of hope. I saw it. I was like, So yeah, we making a little pullback real quick, guys. But this is the area, again, we want to start to see like pullback failures, like a bear trap. They should be trying to trap them. We're going to get a little pullback real quick. But let's see. We want to trap them. So even as they pull back, we want those buyers to buy right back on up and then flip it. That should be the game plan. Create a bear trap and flip it up. SPY still working his way up towards 641. But Tesla is ramping. We got, man, let's go. Let's see, can we go for a two-legged pull-up? We got this one leg here, consolidation. Let's see, can we go for the next leg up? So breakout, pullback, breakout. That's what we want to see. It's almost like a little bull flag pattern in a way. But let's see if we can get it. Because I know the market, I know today is Friday. It's going to be a little crazy. I know. Right now, VIX is turning. That's good. VIX is turning. We want to fall underneath that 29.50 on down. Go for that continuation sell-off. So long as VIX keeps falling, that should help SPY push its way back up toward that 641 for my SPY traders. IWM. Remember T and whoever else is watching IWM, 245, stay above 245. We want to push our way back up to 246 to 248. So keep that in mind. Come on, Tesla, man. Come on, man. Come on. I want to see can we go for this next leg up. Next leg up. Come on. From 365 up. Come on. I want to see this bear trap setting. I ain't gonna lie, I might do it too, though. I'm watching it though. I got my stop loss. I moved it up. I moved it up a little bit. I moved it up to 365, boss. So I still got it up. So I caught the bottoms though. I mean, I caught right here. I caught right here. Don't hit my stop loss. I made a little profit on that one too. I scalped it. Boy, that was a good little trade off of that candle. Bam. So I moved my stop loss up right here too. 365. I mean, it may hold. I ain't gonna lie, I'm starting to get tempted. I'm like, should I do it again? At 365 up? I'm getting tempted, Mike. I don't know. I mean, I'm getting tempted. I'm getting tempted. I mean, these scalps is working right now. I mean, the scalps are working. Scalps are working. 365 still holding. 365 still holding. This is the area where we should start a bad trap. This should be the bad trap. Right here. Should be bad trapping. Should be bad trapping. Should be bad trapping, guys. Right here, right here, right here. Should be bad trapping for that next leg up. Should be bad trapping. Should be bad trapping. I mean, I can go for another small position. I know Fridays. I know I don't want to keep risking it, but I'm gonna see. I mean, right now it's still looking juicy. I ain't gonna lie, it's still looking. Well, let me see. I could be able to move my contracts though real quick while we still doing this to a better contract. I mean, I could move it down. All right, cool. Oh shit! I'm on the wrong one. Oh, it's a good thing I almost pressed the wrong button to the wrong contract. Oh shit, I almost messed that up. Hold up. almost picked the wrong contract. I was on the put side. I was like, oh, hold up. Hell no, I won't push, not right now. I almost messed myself up just now. Alright, cool. There we go. Alright, switch it. Take it. I just had to change out my contract real quick. There we go. Come on, take it. Come on, sellers, take my orders. Man, come on, take my orders. I might have to use the same one if they don't take this one. I might have to use my old one. Because the seller's not pulling down to me real quick. They're not taking my orders. And I don't want to miss this opportunity. Is this the one I used before? Oh no, this is a different one. Wait, isn't it? No, it is a different one. It is a different one. Let me see if it's gonna take my damn orders though. Alright, cool. Let's see. Alright. Come on. Alright. I had to change my contracts real quick. I had to change it. Because you got to keep in mind, always guys pay close attention to your contracts too, because your prices start to adjust, and you got to keep in mind, if you're using a 0 DTE, it is a 0 DTE, because you got to keep in mind today is Friday, and Friday is the last day on this weekly contract. So you got to adjust your contracts. You got to do that. You have to do that. You got to do that. Because the contracts prices will start to adjust, and you don't want to have a shitty contract. So you want to pick a better one that's a little bit more healthier. So that's something you got to realize too, because they will start to change. The prices will start to adjust. So like, let's say, okay, say for instance, let's just say you had a 3-cent contract. In a way, that 3-cent contract may go all the way down, while a higher one could pull down to 3 cents. Basically, it becoming its bottom, but a healthier contract, and yours can just be withering away, like just not moving, standing. And so you just have to right now I'm watching the 365, Queen. 365. So the goal is to go from 365 up towards that 367.50. So in other words, Taylor, what we're doing is try to see, can we go off of this bull flag pattern. So from 365, we want to move our way up toward 367 to 367.50. Pretty much do an indicator gap fill from these indicators up. So my stop loss is tight, because I know today's Friday, and I know I'm not about to play around with this. But my goal is to see, can they play off of this bull flag pattern. So we want to see a 2-legged pull up. So we already got one leg, then consolidation, and then go for the next leg up. So you want to see pop, drop, pop. That's what we want to see. And keep in mind, today Friday, guys, just be be mindful of that. Today is Friday. That's why I have to adjust my contracts, because I ain't about to be stuck in a shitty contract on a Friday. That ain't happening. So let's see. So remember, we want to see somewhat of a pop, drop, pop. Almost like a bull flag pattern in a way. When you go from the 365s up towards this, we want to go for the next leg up. Go from these two indicators up to that indicator. We want to see an indicator gap fill up. That's what we want to see. So I'm just watching this little area setting up. Just watching this little area setting up to see if these buys gonna step in. I got a tight stop loss. Tight. So but again, that's what we want to see, Taylor. We want to see a bull, we want to see those buys play off of this little bull flag pattern we got setting up right here. So pop, drop, pop. You want to go on a two-legged pull up, not a two-legged pull back. So you want to go up, consolidation, and then up. So we want to, in other words, so we want to see more sellers get trapped, trap these sellers, and then more buyers step in, and then go for a squeeze. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see next. That's what we want to see next. So bam! Come on, baby. Come on. Pull up. Come on. Keep going. Come on, man. Blast through. We want to get that. We want to go up from these indicators up here. Come on, baby. Come on, buyers. Come on. Play off of this little bull flag pattern, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Show me what you're working with. Come on. Let's go. Come on. I know you want to do it. There you go, baby. Oh, come on. Let's go. I told you. Pop, drop, pop. Bull flag pattern. Why would I lie to y'all, man? Come on. Why would I lie to y'all? Come on. Let's go. Go from these indicators on up. Let's see. Let's go. Come on, buyers. I know y'all want to do it, man. Come on. Still slowly building up, though. Still slowly building. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, Mike. I am. Hey, shout out to you because you always brought it up. So, shout out to you, boss, man. Love you, man. Love you, Money Mike. So, what we got left on this candle? 2 minutes. So, we want to stay on top of 66. All right, bam, baby. 66, come on. Because I know you want to pull up here. Pull up. Come on. I told you guys, pop, drop. Did I not just draw that out? Did I not call out a bull flag pattern? Let's go. Come on. And then you still got VIX falling. So SPY, guys, like I said, longs, look for that 641. Tesla still looking. Yeah, Mike, I told you I was going to be jumping on the Tesla bandwagon with you, boss. I love it, man. Let's go, baby. Come on, keep pulling. Let's go. Got 30 seconds left, still on top of 66. We aiming for that what? 67.50. 67.50, baby. Come on. We want to pull up towards, go from these indicators up to that indicator. Let's go, baby. 67.50 is next on the stop. 67.50, baby. Come on, baby. Money Mike, I love you. Love you, boss. Let's go. All right. Bam. Come on. Let's see if we go there for that next leg up real quick. Let's see if we get this continuation push. Let's see, can we go for this continuation push? Come on, keep building. But tell it, now you see how to just see this? It's not hard at all to count. Just once you understand your prices, and then you start to understand your patterns, it's not hard at all to read this. It's so easy. It's so easy. Now, this area right here will drive me crazy, I ain't gonna lie. But then, what gave me confidence was this candle right here. That candle right here gave me confidence. That bad boy gave me confidence. I had faith then. I was like... It was just that one candle here that gave me the confidence. Because I was damn near about to just say, bump it. It's Friday. F it. That one candle, seen it, I played it. It just gave me confidence, man. I had to do it. I saw it. So let's see, can we get this continuation? Let's see. We'll see where we go. We know we're getting closer to it, but let's just see, can we continue like at least one more up? A little bit of a little pull. Let's see. But let's see, can we go for one more leg up? One more up. One more up. Come on, Tesla. One more don't hurt. One more count don't hurt. I know you're getting a little bit overextended on, because you're off of that 9 MA. But let's just see, can we get that one more push? One more push at least. One more push up towards 67.50. Come on. Let's see what we get, guys. We'll see what we get. Come on, baby. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Just one more. One more. I need one more out of you, at least. One more out of you. It's going to be a little bit of pullback here now. But like I said, overall, you're still holding up bullish. You're still holding up bullish. Because let's just see if they're going to try to create another trap real quick. Let's see. Let's see, they're going to try to create another little trap in reverse. Let's see real quick. Let's see. Can they reverse it? Reverse. Come on, guys. Reverse it on them. Reverse. Come on. Reverse, baby. Reverse back up. Utilize that candle's close and flip. I want to see, can they do it? Can they do it? Can they flip it real quick? I just want one more candle up. One more. There we go. Come on. Listen to me. Listen to what I'm saying, Tesla. Listen. There you go. Flip me. Flip it for me. Flip it. Come on, boys. Flip it. Trap them sellers and flip it back up. Come on. There you go. Flip it for me. Just one more. Just give me one more. One more. Come on. Just one more flip. There we go. Come on. Go. There we go, big sexy. There we go, you sexy thing. Go up. There we go, big boy. There we go, baby. There we go. Shout out to you, boss. No problem at all, T. What we at on IWM? Yeah, remember I told you, as long as you held that 245, held 245, the next key level up we wanted to push up was 246. I mean, they just slowly building. Because you are in the overbought area, Mike, T. It's just slowly building, just like what Tesla doing. There we go. Let's go. Flip it, baby. Mike, let them know. Flip it. Let them know, Mike. Let them know. Woo! Let them know, baby. Let them know, Mike. We flipping it right now. We flipping it. We got one more minute. So this candle's green. That's good. So that third one may go for that push. If this one can't get it, that third one may do it. Let's see. Let's see if that third one can do it. If that one can't get to it, then let's see can the third one. Cause we're still holding up. Come on. Hold up. Come on. Third counter, baby. Come on. We need that third counter. If that one can't finish, we need that third one to finish. Come on. I move my stop loss up one more time. Moved it up one more time. I mean, if it's my stop loss, I'm still up. I'm still good. Hold. 13 seconds. 13. Don't you fall back underneath. Don't you do it. Stay. Hold up. Hold it. All right. There we go. And right about now, bam. Next one. All right, cool. Next one. Let's see that third one gonna try to go for the push. Continue push. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Finish it, baby. Finish it. Yeah. Let's see. I mean, I still take my profits, even though we're close to it. Because we may break out, we may not. I mean, I'll take my profits right here. I like it. I don't want to gamble. I take it. I'm gonna see, but I mean, I took it close to it. I'll take that. I'll take it. I mean, it's close to it. I mean, and we do have that 50 SMA right above our heads. I mean, it could push, but I caught the bounce. Hey, I'm good. I can't gamble on Fridays. Hey, I did play off of the 3 candle bar play. So from, these bottoms around that 365, rotated up toward that 367. So hey, I mean, could it still push? Yeah. But you got to keep in mind, guys, today Friday, take profits when you have it. And again, even if you got to make multiple trades, you're scalping, you're on top of your scalping, hey, you're still making money. That's all that matters. still making money. Like I said, the only reason why I jumped out, Mike, today, Friday. You know, I got to be careful on Friday still. So that's why I don't want to gamble. You know, as long as I got a good entry, my exit is straight. Because you got to remember, guys, when I got into my other one, no, I had three. Because remember, I got in here first. I got in here, then I took a trade. And then I got in here, I took a trade. So all I did was catch the luck, pullback bounces. Once I started to see the setup, all I did was play the pullback bounces. So all I did was play off of the 362.50 up to 365. Then I played the 365 up toward the 367.50. And that's all I did was play those price points. That's it. All I did, guys, play the price points. From here to here to here. That's it. I waited for pullback bounces. These, I just waited to make sure that 62.50 was going to hold. All right, started to see the uptrend, started to see some higher low builds. Bam, 365. Then I waited after we broke out, pulled back down to the VWAP, pulled back down to 365, utilized that for support for a possible bad trap. Boom, right back up, took my profits, took the meat of the move. Bam, ain't got to be perfect with it. Close to that price point, close to my target, I'll take it. I mean, if it's squeezed, it's squeezed. But I take the meat of the move. It is what it is. So, because you got to remember, guys, today's Friday. You can't play around with that. Don't turn that shit into a gamble. Not on Fridays. Don't do that. Don't do it. So, 1, 2, 3. Third candle couldn't hold. They had to take profits. 1, 2, third candle couldn't hold. We pulled back. Took profits. Got back in. 365. 1, 2, 3. Green candle couldn't hold at the moment. Took profits. Easy scalp. Done for right now. So I'm good. I didn't chase. I had good entries. I played, again, tight stop loss. Bam. That's all I did. Breakout. Caught the pullbacks. Right here, 365 for the trap. Back on up. And what did I do, guys? Looked at my indicators. I understood the squeeze, and I understood the range that we could go from these indicators up to this one. It's still a possibility this bad boy can still squeeze because your 9 MA is moving up. So it's still a possibility that bad boy can still squeeze because all your indicators are starting to come together now, where it looks like it's starting to wedge. It's starting to create a possible wedge coming. So just keep it on watch. But I took the meat of the move. I played off of these indicators up close towards that indicator. So I took the meat of the move. Now what happens next, we'll see. It's up to the buyers on what takes place. Then we know what buyers we need to break above what price point? 367.50. So from 367.50, what's next? 370. From 370, what's after that? 372.50. So that'll put you in this range. 367.50, 370, 372.50. That'll push you right towards that 200-day moving average. Could I still get in again? Yeah, I can still get in again. As long as 365 hold, like if we can't break out right here and we pull back, as long as 365 holds, create a bad trap right here and reverse, still can play it. Break through 365, 367.50 will be my next target, 370. So watch as we pull back, see why I got out. See, gotta be smart about it. Understand your levels. Understand where sellers could come in at. I already knew they were sitting there. They were sitting right there. I already knew. Because you got a strong indicator right here. That 50 SMA is stronger than your 20 and your 90 MA. That one is stronger. So when you're underneath it, that's going to be considered resistance. So as we pushed up to it, I got out. I'm not going to have an OCD complex because I want it on the penny. No. What did I do? Count my candles. 1, 2. I watched my price areas and I watched my last green candle to see if it was going to get a breakout. We didn't. I had to respect that, get out of it, and back down. And now what's happening? You start to slowly reverse from that area back down this way. So that means that now you're going to be possibly pulling back down to what price point? 365. Now the question is, as we pull back down, could we see a possible red to green right back up? And because we want that uptrend to continue. That's it. Just be smart about your entries. Be smart about your entries. What did I enter? 362.50, 365. I'm not entering in 367 until we break above it. Why? Because that's still considered resistance because you're underneath that price point. What did I take advantage of? 365. Because we already had buyers stepping in showing aggressiveness, and all I did was wait for the pullback, and I saw the VWAP sitting right here. The VWAP was sitting right there, so I waited for a possible bear trap, and I told you guys this. I said we may have a possible what? Bull flag pattern. I said we want to see a pop, drop, pop. So these were the good entries here, and then ride it on up. Take your profits when you have it. Be smart about it, man. Be smart, be smart. Don't, especially on Fridays, don't gamble. Do not gamble on Fridays. Take profits when you have it and lock it. Be smart about it, man. You gotta take profits when you have it, especially on Fridays. I mean, right now we're in a bearish week. I mean, just gotta be careful, because if we don't break out, that can lead to a downtrend. I mean, I'm just speaking reality. If we don't break out, you gotta take the area that we had starting off down to here until we break above that price point, and you gotta look at it from a downtrend standpoint too, because we couldn't get above what price point? 367.50, and you gotta create this downtrend. So I had to respect my movement. And what did I tell you guys to watch? 641 on SPY. What area that we still couldn't break? 641. IWM, I told you to watch what price point? 250, 245, because that was your mid area. No, you got to respect the bounce plays. Know when to get in and know when to get the hell out. I told you, I played out with these areas here. And we haven't broken out yet. I'm not going to chase. I'm not going to, I'm not going to be ignorant and not sell my position, especially if I know we're not going to break. And not just that, I know we got a strong resistance right above our head. We got a strong indicator. We got a 50 SMA. We got a 50 SMA, and we're still in a bearish weak market. And look at this. Do you see why I got out? See my point? Now you see my point? Why I took the meat of the move? Because what just happened? You reverse right back down. Think on how calculated smart you got to be on that. Take the damn meat of the move. I took my profits right here. Bam. Did you hear me say, oh no, I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. No. I said, man, look like we're looking a little weak. I'm going to take my profits. And what did I do? Lock the hell out. Because look what happened. Look what just happened. You pull it back down. So imagine all the people holding the bag still. That's holding this up here. Or got in up here. That's stuck. And we pull it back down. That means they're going to have to wait for this bad boy to reverse and re-break. That's it. Now, buyers can step back in. Yeah, they can get out. But right now, you have to wait on the buyers to step in to reverse back up to get back to the entry. Especially if you got in up here, you're going to have to wait for that push back up just to either break even, or if it breaks, if it does break through, hold it. But this area is going to be very risky until you break above that price point. And not just that, you got to keep in mind, you got a what? You got a strong indicator right above your head. 50 SMA, I am not going to play that until we get above it. Because underneath the 50 SMA is bearish. Above the 50 SMA is bullish. Where are we at? We underneath it. I'm not about to hold the bag and cross my fingers and wish if I know that that indicator alone is strong. Exactly. Bears are in control. Exactly, T. That's why I took my profits, took the meat of the move, and I got the hell out. Nope. Today is Friday. I am not gambling. Negative. Nope. Not doing it. Nope. IWM, 246. Got rejected at 246. Back down to 245. And you already know 9 times out of 10 where we going. 244. Down to the 244 bottom areas. So, yep, if you're on the short side, T, you got in at 246. We want to see that 244.50 crack down to 244 itself. That's what we want to see, a tumble on down to 244.50 down to 244. But yeah, I'm not about to risk that. I wasn't doing that. Hell to the no. I was not about to hold no damn bag. Tesla had 9 green, red or green today. Yeah, but that's why I got out though. Because I knew where that level was at on Tesla. Until we break it, then yeah. But I knew to take my profits right here. So I played the rotation from 362.50 up to 365. From 365 right close to that 367.50. Took my profits until we break above it. I mean, nope. Until we break above that bad boy, I ain't touching it. So question is, could we be in a consolidation? Well, I shorted SPY and Tesla, 0 DTE, solid trade, boss. Yep. And like I told you guys, watch what price point? 641. 641, right across the board. I told you guys to watch that on SPY. Told you to watch that on SPY. I mean, right across the board. Told you, until we break above it, that'll put us back in the range of 641 and 644. So other than that, yep, still downtrending. So still downtrending, still looking bearish. As we pull it back down to these lows, Tesla look like it want to crack 365, possibly back on down to where 362.50. So that's why I got out instead of holding that bag. Cause look what happened. I gotta lead by example, guys. I gotta lead by example. I mean, what about if I would have got? I mean, I would have held and I said, oh man, I'm gonna wait for 367 to break out. I'm holding, guys. I'm holding. Oh, it's going down. Oh, guys, I'm gonna still hold. I'm gonna wait for it to go back up. No. What did I say? We got up here. I said I'm gonna go ahead and just take my, take my profits because I started again 50 SMA and I knew we were gonna have a strong resistance at 67.50. I already knew my price points. I ain't stupid. I already know my areas. I know my bottoms and I know my tops. Trust me, I know how to play that very well. Yeah, I mean, right there, all you got to do, Mike, is watch your VWAP. That's tied right into your 365. Now, if it holds, this could be a bear trap. If it holds, again, you stay on top of 365. That'll be, I mean, that can, and then you got to also think about it. That could build a higher low because 362.50 already held. What's going to be your next key level to hold? 365. We do that, then yes, you'll be building a higher low from 362.50 to 365. That's a higher low. But if you crack right back underneath 365, then yeah, you'll be falling back down to where? 362.50. Because that'll be your next floor. 365. And your VWAP is sitting right there. So, oh guys, I think I hear my thing about the cutoff. I think it's getting a little weak. Because I think I got to put some more gas in that generator. I think it may be spot to cut off. I heard it. I heard it. So guys, let me go ahead and shut it off, man. I do apologize, man. I am running off of a generator right now till we get everything back up and running with the electricity and everything. I do apologize because I heard it start to weaken a little bit. So let me go ahead and give a shout out to everybody before cut off and the live stream kill off. I'm sorry, man. I mean, I apologize, guys. I'm sorry because I just heard it. So let me give a shout out to everybody real quick. Shout out to the team. Shout out to my mods. W to the team because I literally just heard it because I heard it. So guys, again, if you are still trading, watch your 365 on Tesla, as 365 hold, look for the possible pushback up to 367.50. Want to break this 367.50 for that push up towards 370. SPY, you want to get back on top of 641. Then now buyers are stepping in. As soon as I'm about to get off, ain't that a bitch? Soon as watch your 641 level for that pushback up towards 644. So yeah. Now we're getting that bounce, bad trap, VWAP, push back up, get that. We want to get that 67.50 break. Keep everything on watch. VIX is still pulling. So yeah, let me go ahead and get ready, guys. Let me go ahead and bounce out. Man, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. But let me head on out, man. I hope everybody have a blessed weekend, man. I will be trying once we get everything situated with the electricity. I'm gonna try to do the best I can to do the weekly breakdowns and so forth. Cause like I said, I gotta go put gas back in this generator. But that goes to show you my loyalty, 40 and everybody. Hey, I was here. I came through, generator and all. Show you guys my loyalty and my dedication to you guys. So I made it through. Thank y'all for joining me. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Hope you guys have a blessed weekend, and I will see y'all for Monday. Peace, guys. Love y'all.
Subscribe for more content.